It is.
Does it give any opportunity for police or the ACA to conduct an investigation?
Of course. That is what ought to be done.
Do anyone need to make a police report?
No, the police themselves can, on his own statement, just that the newspaper report, they can launch a investigation.
Do you think they should?
I think they should. I think it's a public, sort of confession that in 1987 he bribed court of, officials.
So using that newspaper article itself, they can.
Yes, they can. And even the clarification he gave does not mean anything. It makes it worse because he said he knew of the corruption. He said he knew of the corruption then. And if he knew of the corruption, then he should have done something about it. And not wait for so long. He's saying that two judges are corrupted. Two judges are suspected of being corrupted. And I say here, he himself has in fact confessed that he is corrupted. It's a very serious matter, I think, for a Chief Justice to publicly admit that he has been involved in corruption. And that's why we are moving this motion here, that he should be removed from office. We are pursuing this matter. Yes, I filed that motion again this morning, the same motion. Because yesterday my motion was not allowed because of the other motion which preceded mine. So I filed one this morning at 8:30, exactly the same. And the Speaker says that can be done. Whether he will allow it or not, that is another matter. It's due for tomorrow, and I hope he allows it. And even if that is not allowed, we are taking other steps.
What would be the next course of action
against...
I mean, if you fail with the motion in the Parliament tomorrow?
Well, I think I'll have no alternative but to lodge a police report for the police to investigate. Because Chief Justice who has admitted, corruption does not deserve to be there. It's a very, very serious matter, and we are taking it further, right to the end.
What about your personal experience maybe as a lawyer? Have you ever encountered such a need to...
No, I have not actually. I have not. And I'm surprised in Kuching he publicly said that. It is recorded. I'm sure it's recorded by the reporter who reported later. And not only that, if what is reported, if it's denied by the Straits Times or for that matter by the reporter, then it amounts to sort of publishing false news. And that is an offense. So the reporter concerned will have to say that it was said, because that is what happened. Otherwise he is liable to being prosecuted for publishing false news. And even the Straits Times is liable for publishing false news. That happened to Lim Guaneng. He was convicted of, in fact, publishing false news over his statements on that underage girl in Rahim Tambichik. Now, this is a very serious matter. We are taking it right to the end. Because we cannot have a Chief Justice, who has been involved in corruption. Okay? We'll keep you informed of what we are going to do. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you.